Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are now watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest and most effortless way. All you need to do is listen carefully and watch the video several times to fully absorb the information and let the learning happen naturally. Today, we're diving into the question, why doesn't the US use metric like the rest of the world? This is something many people wonder, and today we're going to break it down simply for you. The metric system is used almost everywhere in the world. Kilometers, kilograms, Celsius, liters. It's the international standard. But the United States mainly sticks with the imperial system, which includes miles, pounds, Fahrenheit, and gallons. Why is that? Historically, when the United States became independent, it inherited the British imperial system. Over time, Britain itself shifted toward the metric system, especially after joining the European Union, but the US held on. In the 1970s, there was a big push to adopt the metric system in the US, with even laws passed to encourage it. However, there was no mandatory enforcement, and industries and everyday people stuck to what they knew. Why didn't it take off? One big reason is cost. Switching road signs, packaging, and manufacturing equipment would have been expensive. Another reason is cultural. Americans are deeply familiar with miles, inches, pounds, and Fahrenheit, and change can feel uncomfortable when it affects daily life. Interestingly, though, the US does use the metric system in some areas. Science, medicine, the military, and even soda bottles use liters and grams. So it's not completely absent. But for most daily measurements, the imperial system remains dominant. Will the US switch to metric one day? Maybe, but it would require a big cultural and political shift. For now, Americans continue to live in a country where you drive miles, weigh yourself in pounds, and check the weather in Fahrenheit, even if the rest of the world does it differently. Thank you so much for staying until the end of the video. Please subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you don't miss the feedback video, which is essential for mastering English and understanding American culture. Give this video a like and share it to help us continue growing and creating even better videos. See you in the next adventure.